Like many of you, I recently wrote to Lenox or sent them my email to get a free sample of a metal cutting blade. This is the sample they sent. They encouraged a video review of it. So that doesn't, this video is not paid for by them or whatever. I don't know Lenox from anything. They do have a generally pretty good reputation. According to this package, this blade is only good for up to 5/8 thick steel. This steel is actually a full inch thick, so we are way exceeding what the blade is really intended for. Nonetheless, let's take it beyond its limits and see how it does. I have the blade chucked up in my variable orbit Ryobi jigsaw. Now, before too much of a groan goes up in the crowd, "Oh, Ryobi tools, ew, those are disgusting," I want to point out a couple key things about this saw. Number one, it holds this blade at a right angle to the sole plate. Number two, the blade goes back and forth. Hey, that means it'll cut. It doesn't really matter what it says right here, does it? But anyway, let's see how this blade's going to do. So far, this is a lot faster than a hacksaw would be. I'm just using my best judgment on what is the best speed. I think that my greatest danger is burning it, so I'm trying not to do that. It's pinching on me now as I'm about to finish the curve. And there it is. The blade lost a little paint, mostly because of the pinching action, but the teeth are still in very good condition. In good nick, as my friends would say across the pond. So yeah, all things told, I'm pretty impressed. Nice blade, Lenox. Thanks for sending it.